In this video, I'll show you how to create a new list in Microsoft Lists and set it up with a calendar view for tracking availability. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Lists and click New List. You can start from scratch or use a template. For this tutorial, we'll build a list from blank. Now, add the essential columns. Click Add Column and choose Date for the first column. Label it Start Date. Then repeat this to create an End Date column. These will define the availability period. Next, add a choice column for categorizing availability, such as vacation, traveling, or training. Name this column Category and add your preferred options. With your list set up, switch to a calendar view. Click Create View and choose Calendar. Assign your start date and end date columns to the view to display availability in calendar format. That's it. You've just created a team availability tracker using Microsoft Lists with a calendar view. Now your team can easily update their availability, and you can manage scheduling at a glance.